So I started getting just enough cayennes in to cram into an old pickle jar with some vinegar and stuff and make some pepper sauce. So here we go. This brine is super easy. It's equal parts water and white vinegar. I've got about a cup, half cup each here. And then to that, I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of salt and just stick it in the microwave, get it nearly boiling just so everything dissolves. And while that's happening, I'm just cutting the stems off of these peppers and cramming them into a jar. Of course, when you're handling hot peppers, it is a good idea to wear gloves if you got sensitive skins or anything like that. I'm not terribly sensitive on the skin, but you know, I took precautions and washed my hands immediately afterwards. Otherwise, you could end up in some pain. Especially like if you wear contacts or something, definitely recommend doing some of this, but you know, live and learn. Now once I got all my peppers prepped and shoved in here, I realized that there was an extra little bit of real estate up at the top, so I cut an onion up, you know, nothing crazy. And a red onion would have been ideal here, but I didn't have one, so I used what I had, because you know, it's what I had. Anyway, so once you get everything kind of packed in as tight as you can, you just fill it up with your brine, which I didn't quite have enough, but since the ratios are easy, it was a pretty easy fix to fill that up. Fresh garlic would have been great, also didn't have any of that, you know, story of my life. So I just put a little bit of garlic powder in here. Now this does make the solution a little bit cloudy, but it'll settle out and it looks fine after you've set it in the fridge for a couple of days. And really helps the taste. Like, this tastes really good. Now here in the South, we're doing this primarily just for this brine. Like, we will put this on turnip greens or black-eyed peas, you know, anything that you're gonna have cornbread with, basically. This is gonna go great with, and just give it that little extra kick. Since I'm not using any like pickling stuff like you would for cucumbers or whatever, the peppers will eventually get soggy, which is not super ideal, but they're super hot anyway. And like I said, the goal here is mainly just pepper sauce. It's just like a flavor enhancer that you can kind of pour on stuff and make it taste better, because that's what flavor enhancers do. I just let this naturally come down to room temperature and then stuck it in the fridge, and that's where it's been for a couple of weeks. And like I said, all the flavors have definitely intermingled, and it's just a great tasting sauce that I've got now. And I can use it, you know, all winter, basically, whenever I want to. And super easy recipe, and hope you guys give it a try if you're growing peppers right now. And let me know how it is. Thanks for watching.